Doge is testing a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We have been absolutely killing it in Telegram, guys. We made an insane 90% this week. So if you guys still haven't joined, make sure to do so. There is a ton of insight with market conditions as well as my trades in Telegram. Link is... Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on yesterday's video, we mentioned the fact that Doge is rejecting off a very crucial resistance level here, of course, from previous support, now new resistance. And ideally what we're waiting for to see is, of course, whether we can see that breakout opportunity, or in terms of bearish analysis, finally retesting that major support level down here at 0.075. Now, the current state that Doge is in, of course, we have been in this situation before where we created a midterm support level and then saw a very nice breakout opportunity. The question, of course, becomes is whether or not we will see the same exact moveset, since we see Bitcoin and Ethereum having some nice rallies. Now, in terms of exponential moving averages, you can see, of course, the fact that we are still using them as resistance, as well as the fact that they're still looking to push further down. So we have to be very careful here. What we don't want to see, of course, is the same sort of situation right here where we had a very nice liquidity grab and then immediately after a strong bearish moveset towards the downside. In my opinion, I would much rather be waiting for around the 0.075 level for a possible buy opportunity, as the current state of the market has become extremely choppy. You can see that Doge, from previous price analysis, we have been in this situation before where we ended up trying to break above this level, immediately failed, and then saw a very strong bearish move, breaking below our crucial support level. Now, in terms of the overall analysis, which you guys already know, I talked about this many times, but right now Doge is in a very large consolidation zone, but we have been seeing this situation before. You can see, of course, that Doge has had a massive downtrend opportunity, and as of right now, every now and then we do see some pump opportunities, but we pretty much end up breaking new lows every time. This is why I've always mentioned to you guys not to go against the trend, and ideally what we want to do is trade with the trend. Since the trend is towards the downside, we know the fact that we are looking for those shorting positions. But I do want to talk about something else. I mentioned this a long time ago, but you guys know that we did have a possible W formation being formed on Doge, but since we couldn't take the highs of 0.11, that theory was invalidated. Not only that, but if you guys look at the overall time frame, you'll notice the fact that the 0.075 level was tested and broken multiple times. Looking at previous price analysis on Doge, when we had this massive move towards the downside, breaking below 0.05, you can see that we had the same sort of opportunity, and then within a few days, we finally saw that breakout moveset that we were looking for. This, of course, could be the same exact pattern formation that we are looking for, but right now, you'll notice the fact that ideally what I would wait for is the 0.057 level to be tested before looking for that long position. The reason why I mention that is because of the fact that 0.057 is a very strong daily support, and I would much rather look for that area of a support level than the current state where we are at. This is not the first time where we saw Doge break below 0.075. You can see that we've actually broken below this level multiple times, and this is exactly why I've been warning you guys to pay very close attention to this range. If we see here, even on the hourly time frame, we are still using this level as resistance, and what I'm waiting for to see, of course, is whether or not Doge can try to break above on the hourly at this specific level right here at 0.083. This level, of course, has been a very strong resistance point, and the reason why is looking at previous price analysis, we use this level as support before finally ending up breaking below it and a huge move towards the downside. Now it would make sense for this level to act as resistance as well. This is the leading indicator for me in terms of the hourly time frame. Until we break above the 0.083 level, I personally will not be looking for any buy opportunities. You can see even here on the daily time frame, we are of course trading below our exponential moving averages with multiple rejection candlesticks, and this is exactly why I mentioned to you guys to pay very close attention. We could be looking for maybe one last retest opportunity to our 20 exponential moving average, which lines up perfectly with our theory of the 0. 0.084. But I have noticed something else that is very interesting to me. If you guys look on the daily, we do have another W formation being formed. Of course, this is why I mentioned any break below the 0.08 level, and this is going to get absolutely disgusting. Any continuation from this format that we're at, we could be looking for this W formation to play out. But regardless of how you guys feel about Doge, everyone knows the main target that Doge needs to break in order for us to continue pushing higher remains at 0.088. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.